Taylor Swift has a secret talent, and Kylie Kelce is spilling the tea. On her podcast, Not Gonna Lie, on November 25th, Kylie opened up about the family's Thanksgiving plans, including who's on dessert duty this year. And when the topic of baking came up, Jason Kelce's wife didn't hesitate to mention that Taylor actually has some impressive skills in the kitchen.
We do have well-known bakers in the family. Donna's dinner rolls, big hit. Grandma Mary had great chocolate chip cookies. Taylor makes a banging sourdough loaf. And Pop-Tarts.
Taylor's treats will make it to the Kelce Thanksgiving table might misses this year. Kylie also confirmed that Travis won't be home for the festivities because of his tight NFL schedule. The Kansas City Chiefs are having a rough run this season, dropping their latest game to the Dallas Cowboys and falling to a 6-6 record. With must-win games ahead and no room for error, every matchup now decides their playoff fate. So with Travis on the road and Taylor standing by him through the highs and lows, this Thanksgiving might look a little different for the Kelce family. A small reminder that in the end, love, support, and family moments are what truly matter in life.